I'm going to use the Lemon Fresh Transfer. I'm going to put it on this oven mitt. I'm going to use the ink color Bumblebee. Gonna stick down my transfer, make sure there's any extra fuzzies on there, get them off of there, stick that down the best I can, squeegeeing it to make sure it's stuck really well. There's a mat in there to make sure that the ink doesn't bleed through onto a part that I don't want it to go. So I'm going to use a little bit of ink, again making sure it's stuck down really well so it doesn't bleed. And a little bit goes a long way. I don't want a ton on my squeegee because then it'll give more of a chance for the ink to bleed underneath the transfer. So I'm just using a little bit, scraping it across my silkscreen transfer and getting all the parts covered and squeegeeing off any excess ink that I might have on there still. I'm getting rid of it, covering a little extra part there. Once I have it all covered, then I can peel up my transfer, and there we go, Lemon Fresh. I'm going to take out that mat because we're good now, and it'll be good to go.